Hello, I'm back again to open my first ever Fusion Arts Japanese booster box. I'm really excited about it. Let's go. Absolutely love the new artwork on the box. My chase card for this set is definitely the new VMAX alternate art. Also, all the Muse card as well. Let's start with the Mew to give us some blessings. I got a good feeling we will definitely get my first pack magic. Wow, what a first pack magic. New VMAX card. I'm really happy with this pull. As expected, nothing from the second pack. Nothing again from the third. Our second hit of the day, Bolton V card. Love the colors from the card. Now, we shall let Pikachu do the honor for the opening. Let's go Pikachu. Nothing again. Yet another holo, still not hits.
Killing spree.
Our third hit, Serena V card. Quite a beautiful card, we will take it. Nope again. So far, we are doing okay. Let's hope for some more big hits later. It's EV turn now. Let's go. EV. I dropped the cards, so mixed up on the card trick. Not bad, a Gradient V card. The artwork is really cute. We are halfway through our opening.
Mega kill.
Yet another Bolton card. This time round is the VMAX card, not too shabby. Our Arbok is here. Let's go.
Unstoppable.
Nice, a Genesect V card. One of the better V card to pull. I'm not complaining.
Wicked sick.
There goes our secret rare of the box. A full art Crabominate V card. Quite a nice artwork, but not the SR that we want to pull. I will speed up the opening. I'm not expecting any more pulls from the remaining packs. Three packs of no hits. Exactly as predicted. Unless our Mew can give us some cosmic power. I'm hoping for a miracle here. Maybe one more hit. Our last three packs. Nope, still nothing. Our final pack. Maybe some last pack magic. Let's do a quick recap. We have pull 8 holo foil card, 5 V card including a SR full art, 2 V Max card. Thank you for watching. Please help to subscribe to this channel.